Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Remus glass nail file, 14 centimeters. In this case, it's a transparent one. Of course, you can choose other colors and really awesome colors like blue, blue-green yellow, blue-violet, dark blue, lilac, green-red, orange-red, pink-red, red-green, red-orange, turquoise, green-violet, red-violet, violet-orange, violet-pink, or violet-red. These are a bunch of awesome colors which are available with this glass file. That's awesome. We can treat our nails with the Remus glass nail file. Yeah. It is double-sided. The Remus glass nail files are double-sided with the same grain on each side. No matter in what direction we file, the nail gets sealed. We can make with this awesome nail file an awesome nail care. The file made of tempered glass treats the nails gently and also never wears off. And it's hygienic thing. After you're using that file, it can be simply disinfected or washed with water. The length is 14 centimeters. That's a 5.5 inches. This nail file is made of glass and it's double-sided, and thanks to its special coating, it seals the nails and does not wear off and is therefore very durable. That's a perfect gift. Whilst filling the nails, we can simply file in any direction. Due to the file's coating, the nails get sealed and smoothed. The nails does not get torn, resulting in split ends. There is no risk of injuries as the file is very gentle despite its sharpness. After the filling process, the file can easily be washed off with water, which is very hygienic. But please note that the file is made of glass and it's very delicate if dropped. Therefore, store the file in a protected place in suitable cases or packaging, and it's really easy to handle. You can make your nails by using this Remus glass nail file easily, and it will seal. That means it will finish your nails awesome, really awesome and easy. And of course, it's good because you can wash up, job's done. Then you have a renewed file and the awesome variations of awesome colors are so beautiful. And that's not only beautiful, it is usable awesome too. That's the Remus glass nail file. In this case, it's transparent. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.